Sugbuanon, lungan sa timog pa. Kami sa Pilipino ay sana tumanda. Mabuhi! Sa timog pa, kami Pilipino. Mabuhi! Mabuhi ka sa Sugbuanon, lungan sa timog pa, kami Pilipino.
Mabuhi ka, Sugbuanon! Mabuhi ka, Cordova! Mabuhi ka, Dinagat Festival 2024!
Wow! What an incredible and breathtaking grand finale! Congratulations to all the performers, barangay, the LGU of the Municipality of Cordova, our beloved municipal mayor, and to all the people! Mabuhi kitang tanan! This time, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request all our festival queens to join your barangays and the rest of the performers as we will now proceed to the match-awaited part, the awarding ceremony. Before that, ladies and gentlemen, we will be giving first a block of appreciation to Alright, first up, ladies and gentlemen, we will be giving a block of appreciation to all our 30 festival queens. But before that, we would like to request our municipal mayor, Mayor Cesar Dino Juan, Vice Mayor Victor Tago III, and all the SB members. Oh, walang katapusang fireworks display. Right? Let's just wait until the firework display ends. Mga 5 minutes pa daw na. Ah, 7 minutes. So, mga pila naman ito minutes. Before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to take the opportunity to thank everybody, our Cordovanos, for staying until this time. Daghang kaayong salamat. We would also like to invite everybody to witness the grand coronation of Jocelyn of Cordova. It will be tomorrow at Cordova Gymnasium. And for the search of Miss Cordova Tourism, it will be on August 13. See you there. Magbukas na tao na mahupan. One day of fireworks. And of course, as early as now, we'd also like to congratulate the LGU or the Municipality of Cordova for staging